Welcome to HR Tips and Tricks. Processes, policies, SOPs, we hear so much about it. Normally when an organization starts, the focus is on growth, revenues, numbers, EBITDA. And then at a certain point, people begin to realize, the leadership, the entrepreneurs, that the growth is getting stunted because processes nahi hai. So step one begins. Everybody begins to run helter-skelter, makes an effort, and they try to make a process document, the SOPs, systems. And it takes a lot of effort. Ab processes ban gayi, systems ban gaye, SOPs ban gaye. Now the next steep challenge comes. And what is that? Getting people to adopt those processes. Because that is change, and change is very difficult. अब खूब सारा एफर्ट किया, ऑडिट किया, ये किया, and now we are set. We are happy. We have our processes and we are very smug कि processes हैं, systems हैं. Now the only way is up. Now therein lies the challenge. तो मैं आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी. एक महल है हमारे शहर में and we just went to visit it. और वहाँ मैंने देखा कि एक बहुत odd place पे एक सेंट्री खड़ा हुआ था. So I asked him, I said, आप क्या गार्ड कर रहे हैं? So he said, I don't know. But यहाँ पे 24 hours गार्ड खड़े रहते हैं. Curious that I am. मैंने किसी और से पूछा, सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी से पूछा, and I did not get my answer. Finally, somebody said that there is a very old man who was related to this castle who might be able to answer your question. So we went to him. अब बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात पता चली. कई साल पहले यहाँ पे एक राजकुमारी थी और उसने एक छोटा सा पेड़ लगाया था जहाँ पे वो सेंट्री खड़ा होता था. जहाँ पे उसने वो पेड़ लगाया था, that was the thoroughfare. वो रास्ता था जहाँ से सारे horses और elephants जाया करते थे. Now the king was very worried कि अगर किसी घोड़े ने या किसी एलिफेंट ने या किसी सेंट्री ने इस पेड़ पे स्टेप कर दिया तो राजकुमारी बहुत दुखी हो जाएगी. So he placed a sentry there. राजकुमारी की शादी हो गई, राजा चला गया, the concept of princes and princely houses सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, but वो सेंट्री वहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ. And that brings me to the core of my story. Processes should be continuously audited and upgraded in response to the business requirements. So nothing in business is static. You have to keep looking at things, keep revisiting things, and if anything is becoming a bottleneck, you need to look at it again. Yeah? Thank you so much. Keep watching HR Tips and Tricks. Do subscribe to our channel and all the best.